So we've all experienced those days where our main social media channel that we're promoting our business goes down and we don't have a backup plan. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create an email list so you'll always have that contact information for your customers, so you don't have to worry about what to do if Instagram goes down. And the special thing about this video is I'm going to be showing you a fast way to do it. So go ahead and stay tuned. If you didn't know already, my name is Destiny and my channel is all about business, entrepreneurship, and side hustles. So like I previously said, this video is going to be about how to build your email list fast. But before we even get into that, let's talk about why you even need an email list. So number one, of course, you don't want to put all your hopes and dreams and your business into social media, because your page can be deleted, it can be hacked, any of those things, and you don't want to lose all your customers. So what you're going to want to do is make sure you're building up that email list. You want to constantly get those people on your email list, because you don't want to be one of those people who, when the internet goes down, or Facebook, Instagram, one of those channels goes down, and you don't have a backup plan. You need to be the person that's ready. They go down, they hack your page, boom, you have a new page up, you sending the contact out to your email list, letting them know like, hey y'all, this is my new page. Until I get my old page back, go ahead, follow, subscribe, or whatever y'all need to do. The next key thing is that you want to always be able to communicate with your audience, because as we know with social media, they pick and choose what our audience sees. So you need your email list so you can constantly be sending out new information, whether you have new arrivals, new products, you got a new event coming up. You need to have that email list so you can communicate with your audience. Another benefit of growing your email list is when people go to your website and sign up, you want to be able to send them coupons. If they leave something in their cart, you want to be able to be on top of them. And then you also want to communicate, what is your business? Like, why should they shop with you? You want to remind them, let them know firsthand who you are, what your company stands for, what they can expect from you. And then you also want to be able to have that channel, so when you got sales coming up, you need to be reminding them, you need to let them know like, hey, I'm having a pop-up shop, y'all can come out on these dates. So all of these things are reasons why you need an email list. Now let's talk about how we can actually build that list fast. So the first thing that you can do to build your email list fast is create a pop-up on your website. So that pop-up, gone are the days where we're just offering free shipping. Now if you're a specialty brand or luxury brand, of course free shipping is going to be something to your customers, especially if you don't normally offer it. But typically what I like to do is offer either 10 to 15% depending on the type of business model that you have. So as soon as they come to your website, have that pop up, hey, if you put in your email address, we'll give you 10 to 15% off as a welcome offer. Another thing that you can do to grow your email list fast is have a webinar or an in-person event. Both of these are free events that you can do that's going to grow your list fast, because you're going to want to communicate. Let them know like, hey, if you want to join this webinar, which a webinar is going to be the most cost efficient thing that you can do, because you can drop information about your brand. If you want to do a quick early on shop to where people can shop your new arrivals, but the only way that they can take advantage of this is if they subscribe to your email list. So that's going to be a quick way that you can grow it. Now with me, I did a series of events where I had people come. We did business masterminds, and the way that they will sign up is that they will sign up through my email list. So that is where I would send out different communications about it. Anytime tickets went on sale for the next event, they'll be the first ones to know about it. Then another thing that you can do is offer a freebie. So when I say freebie, that's an instant download. So you can do an ebook. Like one of my biggest freebies that I have on my site is my business plan outline. So I created a YouTube video going over how to create a business plan. Now if you want to follow along, you have to subscribe and then you'll be able to get your outline. So that alone, I was able to grow my list like an extra 5,000. And one of the key things that I did do this time around is I put together 10 of my top key methods that I use to grow my email list to 20,000. Well, right now we're sitting at about 30,000, but at the time I wrote the ebook, it was roughly 20,000. So I did 10 steps that I did, and I put that in the ebook, which you can grab that from my website or in the description section, so you don't even have to worry about trying to figure out what works, what doesn't work. I already did the work for you. So the last thing that I'm going to talk about that you can do is offer some type of access to a private group. Like, as long as they subscribe to your email list, they can get access to either a private Facebook group, if you have Discord where you put out a lot of different information. So offer them some type of incentive that's going to make them give you their emails. You have to provide something that they can't easily pass up, because a lot of times when people give offers like with their emails, like sometimes people, like, it's not even worth it to sign up. Like, so you need to make sure it's actually something that the customer is gonna want to opt in. So if that's access to a free Facebook group where you're giving information, let's say if you do hair, like you can have a free Facebook group where you're showing the girls how to wash their hair, you're recommending different products, you're showing them how to style the hair, everything that you use for your hairstyles, like something of value that your customer is gonna find, like, oh, I'm gonna give her my email address, so because you want them to feel like they need access to whatever you have that's worth giving out their email list. Because a lot of the times, like especially with email, sometimes customers might sign up, get what you're offering, then unsubscribe. So that's where your strategy comes into place. You need to provide something in your list that makes them worth staying on. So whether you're offering a lot of value, you're offering free things, you're offering like updates that they won't normally see on your social media, it needs to be something that you're offering to keep them on this list. Because we don't want to be giving out freebies, having giveaways where people just sign up, they don't win, then they unsubscribe. No, we actually want to provide our customers value so they get and stay on that list. Now, if you found this video helpful, make sure you drop that in the comment section below. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, you can also put that in the comment section below. As I mentioned, my email marketing tips ebook, that's in the description section, or you can go to IamDestinyAdams.com. Follow me on all my social media channels, which is I Am Destiny Adams on TikTok, Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, pretty much everything. Don't forget to join my free Facebook group, which is the Side Business Hustle. And yeah, stay tuned for the next video. Peace.